Is dating a foreigner seen as an upgrade here?
Normally, Filipinas are... The real upgrade is your personality and your status in life.
So to protect his asset, he asked you to sign a prenup. So how would you feel, or what would you feel? Would you sign it or would you break up with him? Be honest, why do some Filipinas target foreigners and how do you avoid getting played? What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Maria po. I'm 18 years old.
Maria, is dating a foreigner seen as an upgrade here?
For me, it's not because dating is just love. How you feel towards the person,
So definitely not an upgrade.
because your the real upgrade is your personality and your status in life. How you handle it and your um your how you define your success.
Do Filipinas put more effort into relationships with foreigners or Filipino men?
I think it's not about the culture or the race. It's about how you feel or the love towards the person.
So no matter what, if he is a foreigner or he's a Filipino man, it doesn't matter. Okay. How about you? Do you see yourself like putting much effort if you're in a relationship with a foreigner or Filipino man?
I think for me, if I would date a foreigner, I would also put much effort because of the language and the culture. I would understand him more than a Filipino man. But currently it's I don't
Okay. Well, you're 18, right? Okay. Next, be honest. Why do some Filipinas target foreigners and how do you avoid getting played?
um I think Filipinas don't always target foreigners. It's just a taboo that they target foreigners. But if that's their choice, then why?
So, how do you think, or how do you avoid getting played? If you're a foreigner, how do you avoid getting played by a Filipina?
I think spend more time or give it a longer time to get to know the Filipina that you're going to marry or to be dating with.
Still studying, right?
Yeah.
College? What are you studying?
Finance accounting.
What are your names and ages?
I'm Eunice and I'm 20 years old.
I'm Adrian po and I'm 21 years old po.
Is dating a foreigner seen as an upgrade here?
Uh Here in the Philippines, like we we see it as an upgrade po. Like to be honest, like most Filipinos want to marry foreigner so they can be citizen like in America and in other countries.
I also agree on what she said. Because here in the Philippines, if we marry a foreigner, we the Filipino people tend to say that, oh, she's so lucky or he's so lucky because many Filipinos views of the Filipino people that all of the foreigners are rich, and if they manage to get married to them, they will like their lives will be
Get better.
yeah, get better po. So that's it.
You mean like financially better?
Yes. Yes po.
Okay. Now, who pressures that idea? Friends, family, or social media?
Mostly family.
For me po, it's family and social media po.
I'm curious, why family? Why did you say family?
Since like we Filipinos are family oriented, we like the parents want their children to have their
have better life for their children.
Do Filipinas put more effort into relationships with foreigners or Filipino men? I'll ask you, Eunice, first.
For me, I think it's the same. Since normally Filipinas they put so much effort in a guy in any aspects.
Can take po na dangog si.
Okay, how about you as a guy? Okay, do Filipinas put more effort into relationships with foreigners or Filipino men?
Okay pa. I believe that in my own perspective po, it's like both. Kasi it's not just it is not necessarily that only girls put more effort, because if you really truly love someone, or if you are serious about that person, you will put extra effort, or not just like bare minimum. You will exceed like the said standard to get that person, or to truly love that person. If you really want that person to love you, you will put effort to win his or her heart.
Now, I want you to be very honest. Why do some Filipinas target foreigners, and how do you avoid getting played? Why do some Filipinas target foreigners?
Like the first question, it is said that some Filipinas target foreigners because they want their life to be upgraded.
So, how do you avoid getting played?
Maybe by getting to know them better and making sure that they're not after their money and their other luxury. Yeah.
So to do that, you have to really know the person very well. Don't like be in a hurry to plan this, do this.
Yeah. Don't spend too much effort. I mean, don't spend too much effort like when you just met each other.
Hypothetically, let's say you're in a relationship with a guy, it's either like a foreigner or Filipino with money, and ask you to sign a prenup. Would you do it? Yes,
In
prenup.
the marriage.
Yes, prenup. Like for example, if you get married, you're not. If you break up, you're not gonna get anything from him, like his properties, his money. Yeah, protects his asset from you, like that. Prenup. So, what would you do? Like, would you sign? How would you feel, or would you break up with him?
I'd rather break up with him. What do you mean po by, like, if that guy, I don't love that if I don't
No,
love
no.
that.
Let's say you love the person, like you're in a relationship. It's just that he has money and he wants to protect his asset. Let's say we don't know what's gonna happen in the future, right? So what if, let's say, you will break up? So to protect his asset, he asks you to sign a prenup. So how would you feel, or what would you feel? Would you sign it, or would you break up with him?
I would sign it. He has the right to protect protect his own property or assets. And I can also provide for myself po. So, and also if I love that guy, I wouldn't mind if he is going to protect his own assets.
How about if you are rich? Would you ask your partner, the guy, to sign a prenup?
Mm, it depends on him. Charot.
Okay. Let's say, would you ask him? Yes or no?
Yes.
Would you also ask
Like-
him?
Either way. So we have the same like perspective in protecting our asset.
Let's say you're the one who has money. He doesn't have the money. Would you ask him to sign the prenup?
Yes.
How about you? Would you ask your partner to sign a prenup?
Wait, pag nagpirma po siya, siyang makukuha. Okay po. I think for me, I will not let her to sign up for prenup po. Because if I truly love her and we have experience or we have memories or bonded together, I think those properties that we shared together, like if we like I I also cared for her. So I would share some of bit of my property for her, to like for the last time, like I will give it to her, like that.
So you're willing to give, let's say, 50-50, 50% of your wealth to your partner.
Well, it depends if what is the reason of our breakup.
Oh no. So you're both 20 years old and both are in at 2021 and both in college. What are you, like classmates of what? Like friends?
We're like friends. We're like friends into lovers.
Oh, okay.
On the way there.
On the way there. How long have you been like courting her?
Like I'm not already courting her. Like we're in a getting to know stage. Yeah. Like we're talking for almost 3 weeks.
But classmates, right?
No, I'm Bachelor of Elementary Education and his architecture.
So you're gonna be an architect in the future. Okay. Do you play hard to get with him?
Sometimes.
Is it common for Filipinos to do this?
Yes. It's very common.
I'm curious because our viewers are foreigners, right? What is the common or the longest time a Filipina would let her suitor like pursue her?
Um
How long?
10 months to 1 year. I think so.
And that's very common, right? Very common for Filipinas up to now.
Yes.
Okay. So, yeah, that's very common. Okay, how about this one? In the future, let's say 10 years from now, what do you expect from him? You're gonna be a teacher, he's gonna be an architect, so what do you expect from him?
He's building our own house. And we're both financially
Stable.
yeah.
How about you? What do you expect from Eunice?
I expect that we are already professionals and she's already a teacher and I'm already an architect. So, 10 years from now, anong year na ba yan? Like, yeah, we're together and like, we're in a one house already, and yeah.
With kids?
We don't think so.
Okay. Okay. So, well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time, guys. We really do. We've been here for so long. It's been raining. A good thing it stopped now. But yeah, thank you so much. We really appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member, where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone.